today we're going to be unboxing the Disney Lily Forever doll. And I think that she is Tangled and Ariel. I think that she only has the Ariel clothes, but she is her. So we'll see you in a second before so we can open this. It looks like we have her unboxed by lots of ways. Okay. So we have Tangled here. I really like her, and so I'm just gonna show the accessories first. She has a hat, which I truly love. It has little flowers on it, but I think it's very cute, and apparently I can wear it. And we also have sunglasses, but are really hard to put on, and also they're kind of weird because it goes like that, but it's not broken. So, and also we have some sunblock. I think it's really tiny. And now it's time to describe the doll. Usually Tangled has long hair, but in the movie she cut her hair, so now I'm expecting that it's a little longer now, because they made that movie a long time ago, so now I'm expecting that. And she has blue eyes, what I truly love. Wait, no, she has eyelashes, but they're not real. And she has this little jacket, what I like. Here, let me take it off. Okay. And her jacket, or little jacket, has little scales on it, what I think is really cute. And I love this wee little part right here. I think it's really cute. Okay, I'm just gonna put that to the side. And her shirt says, "Make a splash," and it's nice purple. And her shorts are it's the same exact thing on her little hat. And I really like her. She's squishy on here, but here on top, on the bottom, like her legs, they're not squishy, or her arms. So she's like American Girl doll, basically. She is a American Girl doll, but still. And I love her shoes. I think I put them backwards, but I don't know. Looks like
no, you didn't. They came on.
Oh. And she has these really cute sandals. When I look on the bottom, and I see shells print and a little golden shell on both of the shoes, and I'm trying to take that off. And I really like her. She is
wrong
really
foot.
Now I'm getting them on the wrong foot. See, I'm clumsy. Not normal. That's why they didn't come on right. And I really like her, and I wonder if they have these dolls at American Girl doll store, because I really want to know, because they're exactly like American Girl doll, but I'm not sure if they came up there yet. So I really like her, and that's the end of the video. Guys, bye.